everyone, today I will present about my project called Fox and Rabbit Ecosystem Simulation. This project is a small ecosystem made in Scratch. It shows how animal and plant interact in nature. In my ecosystem, the fox is the predator, the rabbit is the prey, the plant represents food and environment. The purpose of the project is to simulate how organisms survive, interact, and depend on each other inside an ecosystem. In this ecosystem, the fox moves around randomly. When it touches a rabbit, it gains energy. It represents a carnivore in the food chain. For rabbit, it's also moves randomly. When the fox touches a rabbit, the rabbit high and swim. The number of rabbit less decrease. For plants, they are also cloned and appear randomly. They make the environment look natural. They simulate the results in the ecosystem. Now I will explain the main variable used in my project. The first one is energy. This variable belongs to fox. When the fox touches a rabbit, energy will increase. It shows how well the fox survives. The second one is rabbit life. This variable counts how many rabbits are still alive. When a rabbit is cut, the number will decrease. The last one is plant count. It used to count how many plants are created. In my project, autonomy is achieved by using forever loop. So the fox and rabbit are continuously and using random position so movement are unpredictable. Using conditional to check is touching another split. If on it, then bound. After we click, everything runs by itself. Flowchart. There are 3 flowcharts in this program. The first one is fox. We start with forever loop, and if the fox touching the rabbit, and then it rabbit. If not, it will back to forever loop. The second one is rabbit flowchart. It start with forever loop. It's touching the plant, it will eat the plant, and if it's touching the fox, it will die. If not, it will back to forever loop. The last one is plant flowchart. It starts with forever loop as well, and if it's touching the rabbit, it will delete this clone, and if not, it will create clone of itself more, and it will back to forever loop again. Let's see the demo. In conclude, this project model a basic environmental system that shows the connection between a hunter and its target within a habitat. It reflects how organisms rely on one another and how their members change over time. Throughout this project, I have learned more about how to apply key Scratch concepts such as a repetition block for continued movement and decision-making statement for interaction, data variable to recording, and automate behavior to allow the system to function independently. Overall, this work shows that computer programming can be used to represent natural ecological process in an engaging and understandable way. That's all, and thank you so much for your time and attention.